Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and created a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'm going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for cheaper flights right now and a few key things about each that actually matter, so you can just pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description where you can grab my whole research doc for free and read it all year long. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPN services for cheaper flights and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for cheaper flights. Why? Well, it actually works to unlock flight prices from different locations worldwide. Super important, right? Speed-wise, it's literally one of the fastest I tested, so browsing airline sites and booking flights is quick and hassle-free, no annoying delays. Features? It's loaded. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's got it. Pricing and support? Great price for what you get, and the support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, they don't. That's a fact. Encryption? They use the best tech available. Overall, easy to use, fast, no issues, and relatively cheap for what it offers. Negatives? Just a 10-device limit. Second best for cheaper flights is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built purely for performance. Speed, incredibly fast with consistently reliable connections. No lag spikes, no dropped connections, just smooth browsing while hunting for cheaper flights. Features? It has all the essentials travelers need. A reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which lets you route just your flight search through the VPN, or the opposite. Handy stuff. Pricing and support? One of the best values out there. Usually cheaper than competitors, but still top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Do they keep logs? Nope, they have an independently audited no-logs policy. Encryption, best tech available, AES 256. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy folks nervous, but their no-log audit checks out. Also, their server network's smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN, perfect for scoring cheaper flights with great value. Third best for cheaper flights is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization on this list. Speed? Very good. The huge server network means you can always connect to different countries and regions, unlocking all kinds of flight prices. Features? Packed. Kill switch, a great ad blocker, and seriously the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option on this list. Support's pretty solid and professional. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. Their no-logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best tech available, and it's even customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based, and the app's not as clean-looking as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget, but still want a massive network and advanced features for scoring cheaper flights. And that's it. My top 3 picks for cheaper flights: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly for unlocking cheaper flights. Quick recap before we close. If you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for cheaper flights, a premium experience with tons of features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that offers incredible value for your money. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a VPN with a massive network and tons of advanced features for cheaper flights. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've put my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below so you can get the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you went with. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.